found a lot of cash stashed away in your helmet. You have too many bike clothes and a Brompton, a hotel on Pennsylvania Avenue, and you own Reading Railroad. Where did you get the money from?
I won second prize at a beauty contest.
This is not looking good for you. You're going to jail.
Get out of jail free card.
Let's go check out my property. This is the Reading Railroad. We are at Reading, Pennsylvania. We're gonna check out the Union Canal Trail at the peak of the foliage season. We're gonna see some beautiful colors today. Let's go riding! Old Pennsylvania Dutch homes along this trail, and you've got the beautiful river. Is that Brad Pitt out there? We got some fly fishermen here, and all I know about fly fishermen is the movie called The River Run Through with Brad Pitt. There is a ghost story here. Nobody really wanted to cross the bridge because they heard a lot of moaning noises, but one brave soul made it near the bridge and found out it was just a bunch of cows. Have you ever wondered which covered bridges in Pennsylvania are the longest? I know you have been. Well, we are in one of the longest. The longest one is 278 feet. This one is 204, and so it makes third on the list. It's quite amazing, the inside structure. And the reason why they did cover bridges is to protect the wood from rotting. I thought it was just a nice hangout spot from the rain. Why are you guys dressed up?
We're gonna do a little performance.
Woo! Oh my God, this is spectacular. So you guys going back and forth, aren't you? Now we're looking for Lock 49. It's supposed to be one of the most haunted places in this area. Oh my God. The legend states that people walking on this trail have seen Louisa and her children gathering stones. When you visit, you may see a ghost. There've been a lot of people around here. Maybe if we wait and it becomes quiet, Louisa will appear. And we'll ask her, really? Nobody's here. And I think I'm gonna book it because I do not want to run into Louisa and her children. Oh, damn! So we've come to the end of the trail, and there's dam. There used to be a town here, if you can imagine, but they had to build a dam. Now it's a beautiful lake, Blue Marsh Lake. Underwater treasure.
Kind of, that's what I was wondering.
The Reading Pagoda.
Hope to see you riding!